Hey there everybody, I am so excited to introduce you to the November kit and add-ons from Elle Studio today. First, let's take a look at the monthly kit. Okay, here are the November die cuts. This month it looks like we have some reds and greens in light, the pink and the bright red, and light green and dark green. We have some navies, we have some teals. So there's a good selection of colors, not just Christmas colors. I really love that plaid. I'm excited about that. Here's the second November die cut sheet with stars and hearts, a big ampersand. I really like that gather together. Even if we might not be gathering together that much this year. I also love this. This has little words in it. Tradition together, cozy, magical family time. Let me show you the third 4x6 tag. I love having these 4x6 tags because I use them at the beginning of my monthly spreads. So those are both really great. Let's take a look at the 3x4s now. I really love this dark cranberry color. So pretty. That's a good weekend tag. There's all the colors in the kit this month. Blue, tradition. Oh, that's a fun one. It's like confetti. It's like not confetti. What is it? Sprinkles. It's like sprinkles that you put on your cookies, Christmas cookies. Autumn favorites. This is a pretty one. Great for journaling. Cookies. Oh, what fun. Important details. That nice cranberry color again, fresh from the oven. Notes from today. Oh, I love that color combination. That's so pretty. This story, Monday through Sunday. Yum. And there's that plaid again in blue. So really great tags this month. Just to let you know, if you purchase the Document December kit, that all of these colors are going to coordinate. So if you want to have some extra tags to use in your Document December kit, the November kit is a great kit to purchase for that. Okay, next up we have the documented 4x6 journaling tags. These are great because you can add a stamped title in here and then add your journaling below. I just like how simple they are. They're really great for just adding a lot of story in there. Next up we have the November labels. In all the colors of the kit, you can be sure these labels are going to coordinate perfectly and they all have the date on them this month. Okay, let's take a look at some die cuts. These are awesome. These die cut tabs. If you love our tab stamps, you'll love these, and they come in so many colors, so you're sure to find one that's going to fit the project you're working on. So you have, you know, oranges, yellows, reds, that pretty mint green. These would also be great for Document December. And you have this shape and this shape in solid and the hatch pattern. So really love those. Those are super useful for any kind of project. Those are the die cut tabs. Next up we have the currently labeled stickers. So we love documenting what's happening with our life currently. So we have currently decorating, baking, buying, eating, reading, singing, wishing, making, cooking, shopping, giving. Then you just have currently's. Currently on holiday. Oh, I wish. Currently on the go. Currently visiting, currently enjoying, currently listening, and currently watching. So if you love to update your album with currents, that's a great one to have. The holiday foodie stickers. These are great for all of us who love to eat at the holidays, and don't we all? So it has lots of labels down here at the bottom and then phrases at the top. I love this, our holiday takeout tradition. I can see that happening a lot this year. Okay, next up with our stickers, we have some Jane tiles in white. So these are super handy. They're bigger than normal tile stickers, which I love. So this is a great staple item to have in your stash. Speaking of another amazing sticker, we have the Very Merry Chipboard stickers. So I love how we have an assortment of different stickers here. These are my favorite. I need about 40,000 more of these. I love the stars. And then you have these little banners down here, which I love. So this is another great one to have for this month and your Document December month. Okay, let's take a look. I want to hold off on something really special to show you at the very end. Let's take a look at some of these embellishments. Okay, so for our acrylic, we have the acrylic Christmas trees here in really light green and a regular green, and then you have your really cute little acrylic stars in tiny and medium size. I love that one. Then we have the oh so fun acrylic Christmas light bulbs. How fun are these? I could see myself stitching with my sewing machine in black and adding those on a layout. Then we have the Merry and Bright Wood Veneer, which I love this font. Both of those fonts together are just gorgeous. Okay, let's take a look at our stamps this month. First up, we have the Christmas tab stamp, which has all of your Christmas phrases, hot cocoa, Christmas cookies, Christmas Eve, holiday cards, countdown, advent calendar. Really love this. This is a staple for your document December. We also have these tabs here and the label, which will fit our dies. So if you already have the dies, then you're set to go with this one. Next up, we have the holiday baking stamp, which I'm really excited about. I love the bowl. You have the solid and the outline. So you can do this in a lighter color and then this in a darker color. The whisk is the cutest thing ever. I really want to make a border with spoons and whisks. Super cute. I think this is going to get a lot of use from me this month. Okay, the exciting thing I'm ready to show you is the new steel craft die. This is a card making die, you guys. So it's a card making die that does layers. So you have your outer layer, your inner layer. You can layer up your card with different pattern papers or cardstocks to make a really layered card. And then we have these 3x4 inch tags that you can put right in the middle to create an easy peasy Christmas card. So you do the colors that you want on the background, the patterns that you want, and then you can put this right in the middle and have a homemade Christmas card. So we have this set in Merry Christmas that come in red and green, and then we have Happy Holidays if you want to say holidays instead of Christmas in both red and green too. So I'm really excited to work with this and show you guys how this makes some really fantastic cards. All of these products are just fantastic this month, so I hope you'll check out the link in my video notes to go and shop the newest Elle Studio November kit and add-ons while supplies last today. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating.